हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर वेल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारी न्यू एक्सरसाइज दैट इज़ आवर अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस। हमने हमारी प्रीवियस क्लास में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस की बहुत से एग्जांपल्स किए और हमने पूरी एनसीईआरटी के कुछ बहुत से क्वेश्चंस अच्छे क्वेश्चंस किए और बाकी क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए हैं। वो अगर कुछ ना आए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। और आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। और अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज़, सबसे पहले तो हम लोग ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि हम हमारी जो डेली लाइफ है उसमें भी हम कुछ ना कुछ पैटर्न्स देखते हैं। डेली लाइफ में वी हैव सम पैटर्न्स, तो हम उनके ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस तो नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन वो पैटर्न्स भी हमें कुछ शो करते हैं। सो जस्ट लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम डेली लाइफ में हमारे ऐसे कुछ पैटर्न्स देखते हैं। लाइक अगर कोई इंसान, अगर कोई भी, मान लीजिए अगर कोई एक पर्सन है जो नया जॉब पे लगा है, तो उसको मंथली इनकम प्रोवाइड की जाती है फॉर, मान लीजिए 9,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ। 9,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ, राइट। और उससे कहा जाता है कि हर साल आपके पे में आपकी जो इनकम है उसमें 1,000 रुपीज़ का इंक्रीमेंट होगा। एंड 1,000 रुपीज़ इंक्रीमेंट ईच ईयर। तो उसका जो ग्राफ है सैलरी का, तो उसके सैलरी का ग्राफ कैसा जाएगा? तो सैलरी का ग्राफ कैसा जाएगा? तो फर्स्टली उसे मिलेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर में 9,000 रुपीज़, पूरे ईयर में 9,000 रुपीज़ मिलेंगे उसे फर्स्ट ईयर में। एंड सेकेंड ईयर में उसे कितने मिलेंगे? 1,000 का इंक्रीमेंट। तो व्हाट विल इट बी? 10,000 रुपीज़, राइट। एंड थर्ड ईयर में ही विल गेट 11,000 रुपीज़, राइट। सो दैट्स हाउ इस सैलरी ग्राफ विल ऑलवेज इंक्रीजिंग, राइट। और कुछ इंक्रीज भी हो रहा है तो कुछ एक फिक्स अमाउंट से हो रहा है। तो आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि आपने देखा कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू इज सेम ऑफ 1,000, राइट। 1,000 इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है और इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस भी क्या है? 1,000 इंक्रीमेंट। और अगर हम लोग आगे की भी बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पे भी 1,000 इंक्रीमेंट का ही क्या होगा? डिफरेंस होगा। सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन से दैट वी हैव सीन और सम चेंजेस or some patterns like a person getting salary of 9,000 per month and he has been told that he will get 1,000 rupees increment each year, right. So his salary graph per year will be what? In starting year he will get 9,000 rupees, and in the very second year he will get 10,000 rupees, and third year he will get 11,000 rupees. So he is getting the increment of a fixed amount, that is our 1,000 rupees each year, right. 1,000, and this graph will always be increasing by 1,000 rupees. ठीक है. So this is the example number 1. So this is some steps or some, you can say, some patterns we have seen in our daily life. So example number 2 is here. Like आपसे कहा जाता है कि एक लैडर है, राइट. लैडर, तो लैडर की बात करी जाती है तो हमें कहा गया कि मान लीजिए ये लैडर है, राइट. Many of you have seen this kind of ladders, right. So this is a ladder and you have been told that the breadth of bottom of a ladder is 45 centimeter, or you can say that 30 centimeter. Let's say 30 centimeter, right. Bottom breadth, या फिर you can say that width. Bottom width of ladder is equal to what? 32 centimeter, let's say. And you have told that by 2 centimeter it is decreasing as we go up. It is decreasing by 2 centimeter as you go to the top of ladder, right? So we have the decrement of 2 centimeter at each step. ठीक है, so we will get a pattern here just like wreath pattern of firstly 32 centimeter, and for the second step this will be 32 minus 2, so that will be 30 centimeter, and for the third step it will be 30 minus 2, so this will be what, 28 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and in the fourth step we will get 28 minus 2, that will be 26 centimeter, and that's how this will keep decreasing, right? So we have a pattern here, like we have the decrement of minus 2 centimeter, here we have the decrement of minus 2 centimeter, here we have the decrement of minus 2 centimeter. So here we can say that in both the situations we have a decrement or increment of a defined constant, right? At every step this increment is constant, like plus 1000 rupees and plus 1000 rupees plus 1000 rupees, and for the next plus 1000 rupees. And in the second case we can say that the width is decreasing by 2 centimeter when we go from bottom to the top, right? So we have a pattern here. So the pattern is our pattern for what? The width of ladder. So the very first step will be 32 centimeter, and for the second step it will be minus 2 centimeter. So this is the constant here in each case, minus 2 centimeter decrement, minus 2 centimeter decrement, and minus 2 centimeter decrement, and for the every step further it will be minus 2 centimeter decrement, right? So here we can say that we have seen such kind of patterns here. So we have this kind of patterns here, or we can say that there are many different kind of patterns. Just like, for example, if we talk about squares of some numbers, like for example I have written a series here like the square series, and square series I have written like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, right? So here also a fixed series or fixed pattern is here. So we can say that some patterns are here, so that they have a unique identity or some differences of some finite values, right? Or a constant value difference. So that difference or that series is known as by different terms. In further classes, in 11th class you will study about GP and many more series. लेकिन हमारे जो 10th क्लास के लिए हैं that is our arithmetic progression, जिसमें हम अगर कोई वैल्यूज किसी भी पैटर्न में ऐड करते हैं तो that is known as arithmetic progression, right? क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं, प्लस 1000 ऐड किया तब हुआ, तो एंड प्लस 1000 ऐड किया तो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए मिला. अगर हमने -2 ऐड किया 32 में तो हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप मिला हमारा. So these patterns in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. Succeeding terms, like these are the succeeding terms and preceding terms are first term. So in the preceding term we added -2, then we will get our succeeding terms, that is 30 centimeter. In preceding terms for this we added -2 to 30 centimeter, then we will have our succeeding terms to 28 centimeter. So that's how we have here like this, right? So, and we can also see how to find, and in this exercise we will also see how to find their nth terms and sum of n consecutive terms, right? So we can here say that, for example, we will see here, we will see how to find, I hope this is visible to you, how to find their nth term and also sum of their n terms, right? So that's how we have some of the patterns in this chapter, and we will learn how to find the nth term for these patterns and some of their n terms. Further we will study about the n term, so you keep going through the video. So let's take an example. First example is here 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? And this series is going forward up to the infinite. We don't have an end. Second series, right? So 100, 70, 40, 10 and dash dash dash, right? And third one is here -3, -2, -1, 0 dash dash dash, right? So in these examples, the numbers here are known as the term. So each of the number is known as term. Each of the number is known as the term, right? इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं term. So अगर हम लोग इसके अंदर देखें तो अगर हम फर्स्ट वाली जो प्रीसीडिंग टर्म हमारी, अगर इसमें हम +1 करेंगे तो हमारी सक्सीडिंग टर्म मिल जाएगी. सेम इन द केस विद 2. इफ वी विल add 1 to the 2, then we will get our succeeding term 3, and same in the case of 4, right? And here also, if we will minus, या फिर we will decrease, we will minus 30 from 100, so then we will get our succeeding term 70. And if we will minus 30 from 70, then we will get our 40 succeeding term, right? So here in the case, if we will add +1, so then we will get our then we will get our succeeding term -2. -3 + 1 will be -2. And here we will get, if we will add +2 to -1, so then we will get our -1. So same in the case with for the next terms, right? So thus we can say that successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So this is the fixed number. Here we add +1, +1, +1. In each case we are adding only +1, and then in the second case we are adding -30 to them, right? And in third case we are adding +1 to each term, right? So that's why this list of numbers are known as AP, arithmetic progression. So this list of numbers are known as, we can say that these are AP. We can say that because we are adding a fixed number. We are adding a fixed number here. So that's why we can say that this is an AP. So now how can we define our AP? So what we will define, an AP or arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is also known as, in short form, progressions, also known as AP. We will write AP for arithmetic progressions here. So an AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by what? Obtained by adding a fixed number, obtained by adding a fixed number, right, to the what, as you know, preceding term, to the preceding term, except to the preceding term except the first term, except the first term is known as AP, right? So what we have written here कि एक AP ऐसे लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स है हमारे पास जहाँ पर हर एक टर्म कैसे एक फिक्स नंबर को, जो पहली वाली टर्म है उसमें फिक्स नंबर को ऐड करने से हमें मिलती है, एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट टर्म. So what we have here, we have studied about terms. The list of numbers or each term is known as the term here in AP. And an AP, how can we get an AP? By adding a fixed number to the preceding term, we will get the succeeding term except the first term. Except the first term हमने यहाँ इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि first term तो always will be given here, because और given भी नहीं होगी तो this will there the condition or some condition will definitely be given here. So that's why we have except the first term. So I hope आप लोगों को ये AP समझ में आ गई होगी. And this fixed number, the fixed number which we add is known as the common difference. The fixed number is called here the what? Is called the common difference. And common difference is denoted by D. Okay, and it can be, common difference can be, D can be positive, negative, this can be negative also, और ज़ीरो, राइट. तो मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ रहा होगा कि अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हमारी क्या होती है, और अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में हमने क्या क्या देखी कि टर्म्स क्या होती है किसी भी, तो हमने टर्म्स डिफाइन करे कि ईच नंबर इज कॉल्ड अ टर्म. और अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन बनती कैसे हैं हमने कुछ हमारे प्रीवियस में भी एग्जांपल्स देखे, और डेली लाइफ में भी हमने देखे कि फिक्स पैटर्न्स आर called as arithmetic progression. If we are adding some numbers or fixed number to the preceding term, we will get our AP, and this fixed number is known as the common difference, and this common difference can be negative, can be positive, or zero, right? So we have our, so now we will write our ideal AP like, so if we denote, right, if we denote first term of an AP as A, first term as A, right, second term as A1, मान लो A1 और A, ठीक है. तो second term as A2 and so on, third term A2 dash dash dash, ऐसे ही हमने माना nth term तक, right. So by nth term को हमने किससे डिनोट किया, an, nth term by an से डिनोट किया, ठीक है. If we denote our first term as A1 or A, second term as A2, third term as A3 dash dash dash, it is up to n term, and nth term can be denoted by an. So that common difference and common difference by what, D, common difference is denoted by D. Then we will write our AP, then our AP becomes what, AP becomes what, like this will be our AP, A1, A2, A3 dash 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 and AN, right. This will be our AP. And common difference, what about common difference, and A2 minus A1, the difference between A2 minus A1 will always be equal to A3 minus A2 will be equal to dash 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 an minus an minus 1, right? So this can be denoted by this, and this will be equal to what? D. This is our fixed number. So this is all about our AP. Nextly, we will take some examples so that you will get some more idea about AP, and we can write here as A2 minus A1 also. If we add A1 plus D, if we add A1 plus D will be equal to A. Here we will get A2 plus D, or you can say that A1 plus 2D, right? Here A3 plus D, so dash dash dash, this will be our AP, right? So this is the general form of AP. So our general form of an AP will be what? A comma A plus D. If we will do our first term, अगर हम फर्स्ट टर्म को लेकर के लिखते हैं तो दिस विल बी ए प्लस डी, फिक्स नंबर ऐड किया. अब ए में क्या ऐड करेंगे? 2D, क्योंकि ट्वाइस हो जाएगा ना. तो दिस विल बी ए प्लस 3D डैश डैश डैश, राइट. तो अगर हमारी एपी कुछ टर्म्स पे अगर एंड हो जाती है, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी हैव 200, 250, 300, 350 और ये डैश डैश करके जा रहा है 600 तक, तो ये हमें मिल गई हमारी लास्ट टर्म. दिस इज नोन एज आवर लास्ट टर्म और an. इट कैन बी डिनोटेड बाय an. तो हमारी हमें nth टर्म मिल चुकी है, तो दिस इज नोन एज द फाइनाइट एपी. फाइनाइट एपी, ठीक है. और जो हमने हमारी जो पीछे वाली हमारी जो प्रीवियस इसमें देखिए एग्जाम्पल्स में, दिस इज आवर इनफाइनाइट एपी बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव आवर लास्ट टर्म. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एपी. फाइनाइट एपी इज व्हाट? दोज एपी that have the last term is known as finite AP, and which does not have last term is known as